Okay, so basically I've had this idea for ages to like go around different cities and record myself taking photos. And I'd noticed like me and my mates like starting to do more shit throughout the day, so like I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to start. Anyways, recently I went on a holiday to New Zealand and like where I used to live and saw old mates and shit, so thought why not film my first one there, you know? I went with Alex and Liam around Auckland City and took pictures like we used to like back in the day. And like it was the first time I'd ever used my like Canon A1 with a roll of Fujifilm Superior 400 that I got from like the local camera shop. Anyway, yeah, so I filmed the whole thing and this is what I got up to.
I wonder how this looks.
Yeah. I died.
Look at me doing it.
Huh?
Oh, shit.
Well, that building it used to be very. Yeah, bro. It's gonna be like just shorter than the Sky Tower or some shit.
See how it is.
Pretty crazy.
What about this? One of these? Hey guys, we're here in the mall.
What's up, guys?
Also, have you seen me doing like weird like stretches, like trying to get a shot?
That's all good.
It's from my neck.
Oh, you're not trying to get a shot? Or you are trying?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, okay, good. That's all good.
But I just don't know the angle.
That's alright.
Don't know what for.
Get on.
Thank you. Is it real or fake? We don't have these damn ass limes.
Damn ass line.
Lime.
Lime.
No, not line. Line. I saw that guy go down Dunedin thing, that hill.
Oh, the big hill box.
Yeah. Surely illegal. Take photos. Ow! Rolled me anklet. Is this suspicious to take photos?
Yeah.
Shit! I wonder what the audio's gonna come out as. It's gonna say some shit that's so naughty. That's why I wanna get like, you know those Rode phone mics?
Oh yeah, the tiny one.
Yeah, the lapel, but like for your you plug it into your phone
Oh yeah.
and it record. So yeah, I wanna do that, but like everyone I go with has one. So it's like a podcast while we walk. What? Oh, I like kids doing shit like that.
Same, it's cool.
Yeah, so they're actually trying.
Yeah, it's neat.
It's like what we did.
Yeah, and when you're a kid, you have no idea.
Yeah. Now we got like social constructs.
Yeah. I mean, I tend to try to ignore them.
Sack tap. Yeah, it's just easier. Alright, let me sort it. Yeah. That's chilling. This tea. Oh, I'll do a better one. Sick. That was cool. Yeah, until I develop it, and I can only take 36 photos. But it makes it like, ooh, what's it gonna be like?
It's so funny explaining film to people.
Yeah.
I think everyone gets it, but they don't. You take a photo and they're like, oh, look at you.
Yeah. When can I see it? Like
Man, just show me.
3 weeks maybe?
Show me, just show me.
3 weeks I can show you. I have to send it to you. What's your email?
Can you just open the back?
This thing.
That's the screen.
Yeah. Whoa! They're all doing shit.
You sweaty yet?
Yeah, on my tits. There we go. Ah, no. Yeah. Wait, we're off, Connor. I'll see you when I come back.
Manual right. I want to see that shit.
I'll see you. I'll see you.
I want to see it right.
Yeah.
I'll just do an H&F right now.
In the forest. Wait, there's a bathroom at BK just right there. On the
That's what society tells us.
It's funny how if you just pull one line,
And
everything will...
the whole city will just go.
Could you imagine?
Yeah. And then just like in Times Square in New York, it's like, I will take over. Also, I took a photo of that. It was pretty cool. Yeah.
I'm going to sing 14.
14 waters.
I might just pre-photo.
Always happens.
Is that with you and those people just like stank of weed?
Yeah.
There's like two travelers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do a kickflip in the middle. Daniel Radcliffe was here.
Yeah. That what?
Yeah. Daniel Radcliffe. Daniel Radcliffe! I'll get you whatever I want you to have. What do you not like?
Just get saying chicken.
Chirp.
Shit, yeah, they might real into it.
Sure, it's like a sport.
It must be heaps.
That was mad. Remember when we used to scooter here?
Oh,
Are you actually gonna do it? Be a cool picture. Yeah. Hey, did you know I took it?
Huh?
You know I took it. Oh, I don't even know if it'll look good. But I want it flat. Ah, shit! Yeah, hesitated. Better. I'm not gonna take a photo of your thing. 'Cause I'm scared.
Bro, I can't even like, my legs can't even take this. Like that was so sore on my legs. And cunts do like 43 stairs.
Squeep! Nice! Oh yeah.
Rip my legs.
And I ripped his
And I
pants.
hit myself. A, B, C, 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 S. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. He drove it into the ocean as well. Oh shit. Kelly's a madman. Yeah, I'm waiting for an opportunity. Shred zone. That's not how you spell shred. Remember Taylor used to do this rail, it was so hectic. And we were just like,
I used to be scared of rails now.
there, your thing.
Send your face.
You done now.
Look inside of it, it's just sick.
That is so good.
No, that's just something else.
Wait, it'll be better over here.
My legs are out of gas.
Want to do it again or not?
One more. Wait.
Yeah, we're good.
Why do I suck? Nah, look at it.
It's cool vid though.
That was sharp.
Security just like, woo! Oh, we went up one of the buildings through the scaff, right?
Yeah.
It was one of these ones. Yeah, so battery died on the GoPro, so we had to like recreate that last clip, but basically that's all we got up to, other than this one that I took on the bus home. Sorry about the trashy audio, all you can really hear is me and the GoPro like clanging together, but yeah, I'll get some mics or something like sorted soon. And yeah, I was pretty stingy with the film because I only had a few shots left and I had to save some for like the rest of the trip. But I'll probably use my Canon 60 II next time, so like I can take more photos and spend less money. But regardless, here's all the pictures again.
I'm trying to do this thing where if you click the eye in the top right corner, you can vote for your favorite one, but I'm not sure if that will work. But if it does, you'll see it now with all the names corresponding to the photos below. You'll be able to see all the photos and more like on my Instagram at Declan Hughes as soon as I get around to uploading them, so flick me a follow there. Yeah, this video has been real trial and error, but like I really want to make more because they're fun and I want to do it with like different people in different places, so hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you did, chuck us a sub and a like and like comment if you have any ideas for anything, and cheers.